Hey folks, Vitaly here, and in today's short video, I'll be giving you a breakdown of the REI affiliate program. It's a program that I personally do business with and make sales from. I'll show you in a moment some of my stats with it. Here's some of them over here. It's not too much, but I do affiliate marketing for a living with this and other programs, some like these, and I do make a full-time income in the business overall. And overall, getting to that point, the REI affiliate program is legit. I've been paid on time with this kind of stuff. There's a lot for it to, that it can offer you because REI is a huge outdoors company. You probably already know that. I personally love going to REI stores. That's how I heard about their affiliate program at first. And they just have a lot to offer and huge opportunities, very expensive items, which can yield some decent commissions. I've gotten commissions somewhere between like $5 to $20 per sale on stuff that I've sold, which is mainly this winter jacket and these hiking shoes. And so I'll be going over this in today's short video with you. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave it below in the comments section. Before I get into the details, let me just quickly say, as usual, that if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Vitaly. I do affiliate marketing for a living. I also make money online through other ways, but affiliate marketing is the main one, and I make videos on that topic to help you do the same. So if you're new, you're struggling, or perhaps you're looking into programs like this one here, the REI, you're welcome to check out my channel, like, share, and subscribe if you're interested. Comment below if you have any questions. But overall, my main point in saying this is that if you're watching this, a majority of people that watch my channel and my videos are new or perhaps struggling to affiliate marketing. And what I typically recommend that they do is to check out the link in the description of this video and pinned comment. It showcases the program that taught me about affiliate marketing, that got me to where I am in this business. I already showed you some of my stats here. I've been doing this for a living for like over 15 years now. And what they do is they teach people how to build an affiliate business on their passions. They have a lot of success stories they're free to get started with. So there's more details about that there. Check that out if you're interested after this video. But getting back to the main subject, the REI affiliate program, in order to join it, you actually have to sign up with another company known as avantlink. And so avantlink is kind of like the parent when it comes to the affiliate program stuff. A lot of companies like REI are big name companies, yes, but they're part of big conglomerate affiliate networks. And so if you want to become an affiliate for REI, you have to actually sign up with avantlink first, get approved from them, and then sign up with REI here where it says merchants. If you click on that, you're going to go through a list of merchants. You type in REI and you'll see them over here. Oh, great. Wonderful. It just erased for me. Okay, there it is, REI. So here you would click on apply. I'm already applied with them. I'm already registered with them. And once you get approved, hopefully that's the case, then you can start promoting their many products. And the beauty about promoting products on REI is that, well, first of all, like I said before, the company has a good reputation overall. I'm sure you'll find some, pros and cons there, but overall, it has a lot to offer, a lot of expensive items, a wide range of outdoorsy products, and a lot of people trust this brand, myself included. And when you want to promote anything on REI, you actually have to go onto the REI site itself, find the product or products that you're looking to promote, and then get the link of that product, put it into the avantlink custom link builder, and then you get your affiliate link. So I actually have a separate video on that where I show you how to do it, but I'll just run you through this real quick. So let's say I'm in REI right now, and I want to promote, let's say, hypothetically speaking, this jacket right here. So I go and I click on this jacket, and then I'll take this link, I will copy it over, and then I will go into the custom link builder. I will paste that link right here, and then I'll walk through a few other steps, get my custom affiliate link, then I can put that into a YouTube video, a blog, wherever it is that I'm promoting this jacket from. And that's actually what I do when it comes to how I promote these products. Let me give you a few examples of what you can do. Here's one where I'm promoting what's known as the REI Co-op Storm Henge Down Jacket. It was actually the first product I ever bought from REI, which I was really happy with, so I just recorded this short video. And here I have two affiliate links that head over into the REI website to buy it. In fact, the majority of the sales that I've made over the years for REI has been for this jacket. Here's another example of hiking shoes that I got, and I found these shoes on the REI website and I promote them. So when people click on this, it will take them to the REI shop to get it. So I guess this one's updated. I'm going to have to fix that link, but I'm just showing you the different ways that you can promote these once you become an REI affiliate. So Generally speaking, there's a lot of opportunities to do that. You can promote it through YouTube videos, which I happen to think is one of the best options. You can promote it through a blog. You can, I believe, promote it through Pinterest pins, but YouTube would be my main choice, where you just kind of film yourself with these products. So if you own one or more REI products, one thing I would start doing is just reviewing them on a video, even if you're not currently an affiliate yet, just to get the ball rolling and growing your channel before you start to do that. And then when you get approved, then you can replace the affiliate links in your description with whatever links are your affiliate links to buy the products. That's how I would get started with that. So that in a nutshell is how it works in terms of the pros. Again, it's a popular brand name company. A lot of people trust it. There's a lot of different products that you can promote as an affiliate and get paid decent commissions for. I don't promote them as often as I would like because I'm busy with other branches of my online business. That's why these reports are just so low when it comes to that stuff. But there was a sale that I made literally, 2 days ago for $15. And yeah, I mean, this kind of stuff happens. There are refunds that come through in my experience with the REI program, but that just comes with the territory. Some people are not going to like what they got. Some people are just going to return items, and that will be reflected in your affiliate reports here within the avantlink network. So overall, I'm very happy with the REI affiliate program. Again, you have to join avantlink first before you become an REI affiliate, and I will leave a link to all of that below this video as well. So that summarizes everything that I wanted to cover with regards to that. If you have any questions about this affiliate network, let me know in the comments below. And once again, if you are new or perhaps you're struggling in the world of affiliate marketing, getting started, succeeding with it, and you need help, check out the resource that I talked about earlier in this video, which helped me get to where I am in this business, to build a full-time income out of it. It has a lot of success stories. It's free to get started with. There's more info about it below. And once again, if you enjoyed this video, besides commenting and asking your questions, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, everyone.